Hello everyone. Verizon versus T-Mobile 5G home internet head-to-head on speed pricing, data limit and reliability. Find out which 5G ISP delivers the best performance for your home setup. Verizon 5G home internet delivers the fastest speeds up to 1000 Mbps for $70 per month standalone or as low as $45 per month with a Verizon mobile plan, but its coverage is limited mostly to urban and select suburban areas and in highly reliable where available. T-Mobile 5G home internet offers broader nationwide coverage, especially reaching rural and suburban areas with a speed typically between 133 and 415 Mbps for $50 to $70 per month standalone or $35 to $55 per month with a T-Mobile line and is praised for consistent reliability and customer satisfaction. If you want the highest speeds and live in a covered area, Verizon is best for wide coverage and better value for most households. T-Mobile is the top choice. Speed Verizon versus T-Mobile. Provider Verizon plan name 5G home. Download speed typical or max 85 to 300 in Mbps. Upload speed typical or max 10 to 20 Mbps. Verizon plan name 5G home plus. Download speed 300 into 1000 Mbps up to 1 Gbps. Upload speed 25 to 75 Mbps. T-Mobile plan name home internet 87 to 415 Mbps max 415 Mbps 14 to 56 Mbps. Verizon offers high maximum speed, especially on the 5G home plus plan reaching up to 1 Gbps in select areas. T-Mobile typically delivers speeds between 87 to 415 Mbps depending on location and network connection. Price Verizon Home Internet versus T-Mobile 5G Plan 5G Home Price with Mobile Bundle $35 per month. Standalone price $50 per month. Download speed Mbps 85 to 300 in. Upload speed 10 to 60. Data cap unlimited. Contract none. Equipment fee $0. Price guarantee 3 year. Plan 5G Home Plus $55 per month. Price with mobile bundle. Standalone price $70 per month. Download speed Mbps 300 into 1000. Upload speed 50 to 100 in. Data cap unlimited. Contract none. Equipment fee $0 and price guarantee 4 years. Price variations. Standalone price $50 per month for 85 to 300 in Mbps 5G home. $70 per month for 300,000 Mbps 5G home plus. Discounted price $35 per month 5G home or $45 per month 5G home plus if bundled with the eligible Verizon mobile plan and autopay. T-Mobile price, plan name, relay, price with autopay $50 per month, price with voice line $35 per month, speed up to approximately 100 to 300 in Mbps. Notes 5-year price guarantee unlimited data. Amplified $60 per month price with autopay price with voice line $45 per month speed up to 133 to 415 Mbps. Notes 5 years price guarantee unlimited data. Plan name all in. Price with autopay $70 per month. Price with voice line $55 per month. Speed up to 2 Gbps. Notes 5-year price guarantee unlimited data. Price variations. Standalone price $50 per month for up to 318 Mbps. Rely Internet $60 to $70 per month for up to 415 Mbps amplified or all-in internet. Discounted price $35 per month Rely or $45 to $55 per month amplified or all-in with eligible T-Mobile voice line and autopay. Both providers offer similar starting price $50 per month with discount down to $35 per month if you bundle with a mobile line and use autopay. Verizon's 5G Home Plus offers the highest top speed up to 1000 Mbps but only in select areas. No data caps, no equipment fee and no contract for either provider. T-Mobile provides a longer price guarantee 5 years and broader coverage especially in rural or suburban region. Higher tiers, T-Mobile plan include mesh Wi-Fi and 24/7 support, while Verizon offers streaming perks and device promotion on select plans. In summary, Verizon give you the fastest potential speed and strong bundle discount, while T-Mobile offers broader coverage, a longer price lock, and more plan choice at a similar price point. Your best value depends on your location, speed need, and whether you already use either provider for mobile service. Coverage and reliability. T-Mobile has the broadest 5G home internet coverage, especially strong in rural and suburban areas due to its use of both 4G LTE and 5G network. Verizon offers faster and more consistent speeds where its 5G ultra wideband is available, but its coverage area is smaller than T-Mobile's. Best 5G ISP, which should you choose? Choose Verizon 5G home internet if you want the fastest possible speed and live in an area with a strong Verizon 5G ultra wideband coverage. Choose T-Mobile 5G home internet if you want wider availability, reliable service in more locations and a straightforward affordable price. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.